let's go into talk about the rest of Thursday's session. So that tied into weight walls and weight. And maybe you're carrying some extra weight right now and you don't like it, but it's maybe a test for you to really love and accept yourself regardless of what your physical body looks like. And then maybe that's going to shift out of you. Like my new body, I know it doesn't look like it looks right now, but I have surrendered to the process. I'm sending so much love to myself, which is a learned process. All of your thoughts that you have, I'm drinking cacao right now. So if I think, if I drink this cacao or I have this bit of chocolate, it's going to make me gain weight. You're programming your body that way. And so we have to learn to shift our mindset about food and exercise. Like, I'm going to gain all this weight if I don't exercise for 2 hours a day. Or if I eat these fries, it's going to pack on the pounds. We have all these false core beliefs about diet and eating that we're being asked to shift out of and let go. And I do work on those in the weight wall session for sure. And so if you believe that, this is going to be nourishment for my body and work for my highest good, whatever that is, and I surrender, then that's what it's programmed to do. You get to be the programmer of your experience, which is really beautiful, but it's kind of scary too when you're like, it's all on me. I get to decide. You do. So the next session for Thursday is traumas and abuses. This session was previously 2. It's now combined into 1. And these are very dense energies. They tend to be really the root cause for a lot of imbalances in our body. Think of this trauma that maybe got attached to you when you were 2, and it's been stored in your shoulder ever since. And because it has a resonance and a frequency, it pulls in other energy in your world and life that has been a similar low vibration frequency. And you end up with this whole dense mass quantum entanglement on your shoulder. And then when you're 30 or 40, you start getting this really bad shoulder pain. And you're like, what is going on in my shoulder? And you go in and they're like, well, we can do surgery for you. And you have all these traumas and all this energy built up there. And you can technically do all the surgeries you want, but at the root, they're not taking out the reason that your shoulder was hurting to begin with. So traumas and abuses can really be at the root, from talking to my clients and my own experience, of a lot of our imbalances. So we can shift our energy and the way that we feel when we release those and allow our body to go back to this harmonious state. We bring our shoulder to the same vibration as our heart. And now it's no longer attracting or holding on to all this dense, heavy pain energy, and it feels light and free again. That's how this works. It's really beautiful. And next session for Thursday is a brand new Energies of Supplement session focusing on muscle strengthening and rebuilding. I tend to offer this session most weeks. And in this, we add targeted energies of supplements or crystals, different energies out there, to support your body. What I did in my own journey is I used to be on over 50 supplements a day and different prescriptions from compounding pharmacies, so that I could try to be healthy and function just to survive. And I now take nothing, and I went into taking my supplements or energies energetically. And this way I don't have to worry about overdosing, underdosing, contamination, toxicity, allergies, any of that. And so when we weave in these energies into your body, you have the ability to access it hypothetically whenever you want, for your highest good. And so if you're allergic to that, we work on releasing why you have an allergy, and your body is not going to use it if it's not for your highest good. So some of the energies that I will be weaving in this session, there will be 15 different energies, include moringa, which is rich in essential amino acids and protein to support muscle repair and growth. Clearly, these supplements are going to have other benefits in other areas. You can go research those, but I'm sharing in relation to building muscle and muscle strengthening, which is a big goal of ours for this year. We really want to be in shape. We want to be strong and feel really good and strengthened in the core of our bodies. And so these can support us in that journey. Turmeric reduces muscle inflammation and soreness, promoting faster recovery. Hematite, grounding stone that enhances strength and endurance during physical activity. Carnelian, Also a stone that energizes and supports vitality, endurance, and muscle strength. Fenugreek, which is good for milk production too, enhances testosterone levels and muscle mass development naturally. Beetroot extract is one of my favorites. I add this to my smoothie all the time. It has so many potent health benefits. It can also help with erectile dysfunction. I read that from a group the other day. Again, this is just what I read. Don't take it as medical advice. It improves blood flow and oxygenation for better muscle performance. Spirulina, packed with protein and nutrients that aid in muscle recovery and growth. Tribulus tristicis, supports testosterone production and lean muscle growth. Meadow leaf, Siberian ginseng, increases endurance and reduces muscle fatigue. Calcarea phosphorica supports bone strength and muscle recovery, enhancing structural stability. Silicea boosts connective tissue health, aiding in muscle endurance and strength. Arnica montana reduces soreness, speeds up muscle recovery, and alleviates physical strain. Hypericum perforatum addresses nerve-related muscle pain, improving coordination and strength. And I weave in a lot of these energies. If you've ever taken my recovery pod before, there are thousands of energies woven in to support you in recovering from surgery or even workouts. And when that thing is working, I can lift so much and I feel good. I don't really feel sore when I work out. It's pretty awesome. I can really push my body to the limits that way. So these energies are going to support you, at least in my experience. They've supported me in being able to do more and build faster and keep my endurance up without as much soreness or strain in my body. So if it resonates with you, feel free to connect. Usually I don't offer these sessions again, so it's kind of a one and done. Occasionally, if I get enough interest, I may repeat it once every 1 to 2 years. So connect in if it resonates.